Chocolate crinkles is one of the most commonly used recipes to a lot of new bakers. And this recipe doesn't need resting or ilagay pa sa ref para mag-set bago i-bake. Mabilis at madali lang siyang gawin, but the result is a perfect texture na gusto ko sa isang chocolate crinkles. In a bowl, start adding 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup cocoa powder, 1/3 cup white sugar, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/3 cup oil, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now mix all the ingredients until well combined. Mapapansin nyo na para siyang regular cookie dough pero thicker. Now using your hand, or in this case, gumamit ako ng small ice cream scoop para mabilog yung dough. Tapos ibabalot natin siya sa powdered sugar gamit ang 2 kutsara. Again, pwedeng kamay na lang ang gamitin. In this recipe, nakagawa ako ng 15 pieces of chocolate crinkles. And bago natin isalang sa oven, i-flatten nyo lang ng konti yung dough para lang pag na-bake siya, medyo flat din yung kakalabasan ng ating crinkles. Now, in a preheated oven, bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. And after mabake, let it cook completely, or pwede nyo ipaset muna sa ref kung mas prefer nyo na kainin siya ng malamig. And sure ako na magugustuhan to ng lahat na makakatikim kasi hindi siya matamis, it's very chocolatey, and it has that crispy texture on the outside but moist and soft on the inside.